Hi, my name is Jill Cox. I'm a director with Usborne Books & More. Today I'm going to answer some of the most common questions people have about joining Usborne Books & More. Ready? Let's go ahead and get started. People are often worried about the time commitment involved in doing this. Really, it's something that you can work around your own schedule. We have found that parties take about 1 to 2 hours, and then you'll need about an additional 1 to 2 hours to deal with the prep work and the order entry and all that kind of stuff. It's definitely something that you can do around your family, another job, going back to school, or all of the above even. We found that the most successful consultants plan on doing at least 1 party a week, but some people do up to 15 a month. So it's really up to you and your time constraints and what you want to do. You're probably wondering how much money you can make doing this, right? Well, to give you an idea, typically people earn about $75 to $100 on a party. We have consultants on our team that make everywhere from a couple $100s a month to several $1,000s a month, and everywhere in between. Who pays for those free and half-price books? We have a super generous hostess program, and our home office covers the cost of those free and half-price books. The host will pay the shipping, and there's nothing out of your pocket. One of the most common questions is how much does it cost to get started? Our new consultant kit is $125. It comes with bestsellers from all sorts of different series to give you a good variety and selection of books. It also comes with a website for 6 months, business supplies, catalogs, things like that. We also have a new consultant mini kit, and that is $75. The main difference between those two kits is just the number of books. That's basically going to be the difference. If you're wondering about buying inventory, if that's required, or about delivering books. And the answer is no, you don't need to worry about either of those things. Facebook party customers are just going to order through your website and books will be shipped straight to them. For home parties, customers will shop from the catalog and you can have it all shipped to the hostess and then she'll deliver it to her friends. There's no inventory expenses required. The next common question that people have is what kind of training and support will I receive? How will I know what to do? We have an amazing training system. It's self-guided at your own pace with lots of helps and videos and downloads. You also have a team leader who will be there with you every step of the way to make sure that you have all the information that you need. And finally, we have some amazing Facebook groups that are there to help support you, help you if you're in a party and have a question. We're there to make sure that you're going to have all the resources that you need to succeed. What do you think? Are you ready to join us and give it a try? That brings me to the last question. How do I join? You're going to just want to contact the person that invited you to this event because you'll sign up directly through them or on their website. Thanks so much for watching. We can't wait to watch you succeed.